Over the next 6 months, Michael Torres remembered 23 events before they occurred. A warehouse fire that killed 3. A small plane crash near Midway Airport. A stranger in his neighborhood winning the lottery. A water main flooding 3 city blocks. 19 out of 23, completely accurate. His wife asked him, "How did you know?" Michael stared at the ceiling and whispered, "I did not know. I remembered." It felt like something that already happened, like recalling yesterday. Word spread quickly. Reporters came knocking at his door. Television cameras waited on his lawn. Michael refused every single one. He told Linda, "I am not a circus act. I am terrified." Because among the things he remembered were things he desperately wished he could forget. Things about people he loved. Things about strangers he had never met. Michael Torres was carrying the weight of every tomorrow, and it was slowly crushing him.